Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dear students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss the remainder based problems in LCM. As we know that in previous session we have discussed the problems related to LCM and HCF of fractions. Is it? So I hope you are all watched that video. If you do not watch, please do watch and follow this video. Of course, that is different concept. This is different. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss problems related to LCM itself, but the problems will be remainder based problems. Okay, so see, and also we discuss some shortcuts related to this concept. So let us solve first problem. Okay, then we will come to know how to solve this all. Okay guys, if the problem is in this model, then how to solve this type of questions? See how it is. See, in case 1, when the remainder is same, that means if the remainders based problems, if the remainder is same, what is the situation here? How to solve these type of problems? For example, find the least number which when divided by n1, n2, n3, so on. These are the numbers. Means these are the divisors. Leaves a remainder of r in each case. Here same remainder. See, in every case the particular number is dividing by n, then the remainder is capital R. The particular number is divided by n2, then it leaves remainder capital R. So different divisors, same remainder. So this is one case, first case. Okay. Then in this case, how to solve these problems? See, simple. The shortcut is we have to find the LCM of the least number they asked. So the least number which when divided by n1, n2, n3. So LCM of these divisors n1, n2, n3 and so on, plus here leaving every time in each case it is leaving same remainder. That remainder we have to add to it. Okay, that remainder we have to add it. Okay, this is the shortcut to this type of solutions. We have to use this one. Okay, simple. So based on this we will discuss one problem now. See, this is the question. See, find the smallest number which when diminished by 7 and is divisible by 12, 16, 18, 21 and 28. Diminished by means here reduced by means leaving the remainder 7. So this is the first case, is it or not? Yes. See here the divisors are 12, 16, 18, 21 and 28. Okay, like here n1, n2, n3 and so on. So different divisors, same remainder. So what is the answer will be here? See, so the answer will be LCM of these all numbers, these all divisors 12, 16, 18, 21 and 28 plus this remainder 7. See, what is the LCM of 12, 16, 18? So we use the division method. We discussed regarding this in first session itself. Is it? So what is the table? We take from small table. Is it 2 6 jar, 2 8 jar, 2 9 jar, 21, 2 14 jar. Again 2 table, 2 3 jar, 2 4 jar, 9, 21, 2 7 jar. Again I take 3 table. See here. Only 4 is here even number, it is not possible. So 2 is not common table for more than 2. So that I have taken 3 table. 1, 4, 3 3 jar, 3 7 jar, 7. Again next, yes, we can take 7th table. 1, 4, 3, 1, 1. Now what is LCM here? LCM is product of these all divisors. See, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 into 4 into 3. And these are 1 on it, right? 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12, 12 7 jar 84, 84 into 4, 84 4 jar 4 4 jar 16, 4 8 jar 32, 336. Okay, and into 3. So 3 6 jar 18, 3 3 jar 9 plus 1 10, 3 3 jar 9 plus 1 10. So 1008. So what is the LCM of these numbers? 1008 we got 1008. Now by seeing this we are having that option also. These are the options. So don't put this 1008 answer. So now to this we have to add 7. So 1008 plus 7. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 1008 plus 7 because LCM is 1008 plus 7, that is equal to 1015. So our option is 3. So third option is correct. Clear better. This is one way of finding the solution. This is the case when the different devices same remainder. Okay, different devices and same remainder. Dear students, now see in same case, I mean in same model but different problem. Here the question is the largest 4-digit number which when divided by 4, 7 or 13 leaves a remainder of 3 in each case. So here also largest 4-digit number is given. The largest 4-digit number means don't think that we have to find HCF. Largest 4-digit number is 4 nines, is it 9999. So it is divided by with different divisors leaving same remainder. Here also the concept is different divisors same remainder. Okay, then here it is different problem but same concept. Okay, so what is the largest 4-digit number? Actually the largest 4-digit number is 4 nines. Okay, so this must be divisible by 4, 7 or 13 but leaving the remainder 3. Okay, then how? See, triple 4 nines na, so first find the LCM of 4, 7, 13. Is there any common table? No common table, so their product is their LCM. Okay, their product is their LCM. So 13 7s are 91. So 4 1 are 4, 4 9 are 30. So 364. With this LCM, first divide this one. Divide 9999 by 364, we get some remainder. So that remainder you subtract from 9999. So 90% our problem will be solved. See how? So first divide 9999 by 364. Okay, we get some remainder. So what is that remainder we have to find? So 9999 by 364. So maximum here how many times it is possible? It is not possible 3 times because 2 times it is possible. 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 728. The difference is 172. 271. Okay. Now bring down next digit 9. So see here. Let us check with 7 times it is divisible by 7 times or not. 7 4 are 28. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 44, 7 3 are 21, 25. So 7 times it is possible, 7 times. So 2548. The difference is 1. 11 minus 4 7. 6 minus 5 1. So 171. So it is divisible by 27 times. The remainder is how much? 171. So here see, when we divide by 9999 by 364, we got the remainder 171. Now subtract it. Now 9999 minus 171 is how much? That gives us 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 7 2. Okay, 9 minus 1 8, 9, 982 8. First option itself answer, but first option itself 9828, but don't, it is not answer. Okay, so actually what is here is clear. Different devices same remainder now. So what is our final answer? Here we have to add 3 to this one. So 9828 plus 3. So our final answer is 9831. 9831. So which option is correct here? The last option is correct. 9831. See here, this 9828 is divisible by 4, 7 and 13 also. Is it? Means we get remainder 0 every time. But we should get remainder 3 as per question. So that we have to add 3 to this number. Then every time we get the remainder 3 itself when it is divisible by, when it is divided by 4 or 7 or 13. Okay. So here how we got, this is the 4-digit number which is divisible by 4, 7 or 13. But this is the 4-digit number that is greatest 4 digit number, which is when divided by 4 or 7 or 13 leaves the remainder 3. Okay, simple. First find the LCM and divide the greatest 4 digit number by this LCM. You will get some remainder. You have to subtract that remainder from the largest 4 digit number. Then we will get a largest 4 digit number which is divisible by these divisors. But leaving remainder na, so that remainder part we have to add to this number. Clear? So these are important for NDSA, I expect. Okay. Now we will solve one more problem based on same concept. Okay. Okay, students. Now see next question. The same model, that is what is the greatest number of 4 digits that when divided by any of number 6 or 9 or 12 or 17 leaves a remainder of 2. So here also different divisors, same remainder. But they ask here what is the greatest 4 digit number. So what is the greatest 4 digit number? Same model. See solution. The greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Is it 9999? So here we have to find the LCM of those numbers. First, what is our task? We have to find the LCM of the divisors. So LCM of 6, 9, 12 and 17 is use division method. So what is the common table? Clearly 3 table we can guess. Here 3 2 are, 3 3 are, 3 4 are, 17. Again 2 table 2 1 3 2 17. Is there any common table? No. So the LCM is their product 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 17. 2 into 17. So this is the LCM of these divisors. So 3 2 are 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 2 are 18 2 are 18 2 are 36, 36 into 17. 36 into 17. 17 6 are 102. 17 3 are 51, 51 plus 10, 51 plus 10 61. So LCM is 612. The LCM is over 612. Now with this LCM we have to divide it. Now divide 9999 by 612. Okay, we get some remainder. Is it that? We get some remainder. What is the remainder? We will see. So 9999 by 612. 9999 by 612. So what is the remainder here? One single time. So the remainder is 7. Difference is 7, 8, 3. 387. Bring down 9. Okay. So it is possible 6 times. I think 6 6 2 are 12. 6 1 are 6 plus 1 7. 6 6 are 36. The difference is 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 7 0, 8 minus 6 2, 207. So the remainder when 9999 is divisible by 612, the remainder is 207. So this 207 we have to subtract this 207 from the largest 4 digit number. So what will be the number which is divisible by 6 or 9 or 12 or 7? Now subtract 207 from 4 nines. Okay, then becomes we get 9999 minus 207, that is equal to 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 2 7, 9, 9792. So you may feel that this is the answer. No. So this is the largest 4 digit number which is divisible by either 6 or 9 or 12 or 17. Okay, we get the remainder 0, but we should get the remainder 2. So that add 2 to this number. Okay, so the final answer will be the 9792 ki 2 ne add cheyali. So 9794 is the final answer. So which is first option. Okay, is it clear? So these type of problems very important for NDSA examination point of view. So please go through these type of problems, and this is a trick to find the solutions of these type of problems, and practice more number of problems based on this concept. In this video lecture we have discussed different devices with same remainder. But in the next session we are going to discuss in next video different devices with the different remainders. Okay, so I hope you are all clear about this concept. If you have any doubts you can contact. Thank you.